Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to bring you along with me to the Dollar Tree to show you what they have in stock this year for Valentine's Day. I'll go over some class gifts ideas. I will also be sharing ideas of my own that only end up costing $5 and will give you enough favors for an entire class. With that said, let's see what Dollar Tree has to offer for Valentine's Day 2021. So first off, we have these Yo-Yo Valentine's Day cards. They come in a pack of 6. Some of the phrases are, I like the way you roll, and sweet move. Next to those, we have these Valentine's cards with mini skateboards. I think fingerboards is the correct term. They have phrases like, let's hang, and your tote's awesome. They too come in a pack of 6. Moving on over, they have little dinosaur figurines with phrases like you're Rexcellent and you're Dynamite. They too come in a pack of 6. They also have a good selection of paper cards with characters. They have My Little Pony, Minnie Mouse, Princess, Frozen, Hello Kitty, Paw Patrol, Trolls, Scooby-Doo, Spider-Man, and Avengers. Down here they have a 12-pack of pins, and there are also heart notebooks that you could get to go with them. There are stamps in an 8-pack, and this putty, which looked like slime to me. They came in a variety of colors, and then we also have this 8-pack of paddle balls. Moving over to the gift/treat bag options, here are the designs that they had available. They also had these cute containers in a pack of 3. Another thing that they offered that caught my eye was this craft kit. It comes with 10 in total. There are 5 of the red heart crafts and then 5 of the pink cupcake crafts. So these would be a great option for anyone who's looking for a non-candy option. Speaking of candy though, that's where I headed next. They had a great selection of Valentine's candy. These heart chocolates are what I ended up picking up and using for my DIYs. So with that being said, let's get into the DIY part of the video. First up, we are going to make these Valentines Arrows. I saw this idea a few years ago on Pinterest and actually ended up making them for my daughter's class one year. To make these, I'm going to start by opening up this bag of chocolates. I believe the package contains 16 in total if you're wondering how many bags you might need. Something to watch for though is that on some of the chocolates the wrapper isn't completely covering the back, and since this area is going to come into contact with hot glue, what I did was fix the foil, and then I also added an extra layer of protection by adding a felt heart sticker to the back. Next, you're going to cut out the tail of the arrow. So to do that, cut a small rectangle piece of construction paper and then snip the top 2 corners off to leave a triangle shape. And then at the bottom, make 2 snips to cut out a triangle shape there. From there, you can trim it further if needed, and then repeat for any other colors or number of tails you need. To assemble the arrow, heat up your glue gun and get your popsicle sticks. I found these in the crafts section. They had many different colors and sizes available. Then you're going to put a small dab of glue on one end of your stick and then carefully place the tail of your arrow on it. Lightly tap it with your nail to set it in place. Be very careful, the glue is very hot. I do not recommend kids do this part. Then you're going to place a bead of glue on the other side and then place the heart with the point out so that it resembles an arrow. Hold it in place until it sets and ta-da! A cute Valentine's arrow. As for the cost, because I already owned a glue gun and the construction paper, my total cost for this project was $5. That included 2 bags of chocolates, the popsicle sticks, and the felt hearts. It will end up making 30 to 40 favors depending on how many chocolates you get per bag, so that's a pretty great price. The next idea you could do is to make these look like flowers. Now I know I could have taken it a step further and added petals around the chocolate as well, but I was trying to keep these as low prep as possible and realistic as possible, so I think I'll just stick with the 2 leaves, and I think it still looks great. So let's get into how to make this variation. I started out by struggling to open this bag of chocolate hearts. These are the cookies and cream kind, and by the way, in my first bag of chocolates there were 16 in total, but this one had 22, so I guess it depends on which bag you pick. Again, look for any openings on the back where the foil is missing, recover it, and add a felt heart. For this one, I'm going to use blue and pink craft sticks. Add a dot of glue at the top and place your heart into the glue and hold it in place. Next, you're going to cut out leaves using green construction paper. When they had been roughly cut out, I placed them on top of each other and then trimmed them further so that they were the same size. This part is optional, but you can add in detail if you want to make the leaves look more realistic. Now it's time to bring it all together and glue those leaves in place. I decided to glue one at the back and one at the front, but you feel free to play around and do whatever you think looks best. Again, be super careful when gluing these down. Use the tip of your nail if possible to avoid a burn. And there you go, another adorable gift idea. My last one is even less work than the other two. I guess you could call it a wand or maybe a lollipop, but to make these, all you need to do is place your felt hearts on the back, glue the heart to the top of your stick, and then you're going to decorate it with these heart gem stickers. They also had clear hearts, and I saw blue as well if you prefer different colors. Now just go ahead and stick those on. This would be a great job for your kids. And when you're finished, you have these cute Valentine's gifts. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you're looking for even more class gift ideas, I have links in my description box below for even more ideas. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!